My name is Jonathan Davis, and you are with me on the Travelin' Chin channel. Now today, I am in Marrakesh, Morocco, which is in northern Africa, and I'm going to be entering the market that's just behind me, behind this historic mosque. So far, it's super cool. Can't wait to take you with me. Let's go check it out.
The market itself is inside the Medina of Marrakech, which is an old Islamic capital originating from the 11th century. Today we're going to explore Jemaa el-Fnaa, which is the big gathering area that has cobras, monkeys, and it's right by the Souks, or the markets. As we head over towards the market area, let's talk a little bit about Marrakech itself. This red line signifies a wall that actually surrounds the entire Medina. The wall stretches 19 kilometers or 12 miles around the city. The holes in the walls are from the original scaffolding and today serve as a nesting place for the city's many pigeons. And the red tint in the clay leads this area to be nicknamed the Red City. That big mosque we saw earlier is called the Koutoubia Mosque, and it's really quite amazing. It's the biggest place in Marrakech and you can pretty much see it from anywhere. With the super fascinating Islamic architecture, this mosque has been standing guard over Marrakech for over 900 years. Let's head a little further into the city to find the Jemaa el-Fnaa.
Truth be told, I've passed the big mosque and it's pretty crowded here, so I don't know exactly where I'm going. I just am following the crowd. And I seem to think there's a bunch of tents down there, or at least umbrellas. We'll see if that gets me there.
Once in the square, I shot right over towards what I was most interested in, the snake charmers. There was no wall, there was no gate. I was right up next to these guys. So yes, it felt dangerous. And this guy decided to put on a bit of a show. That is an actual black cobra sitting on his forehead. He's kissing it, he's licking it, and he's taunting it.
Okay, living the dream.
While this water snake isn't poisonous, I was still a little freaked out as he blessed me in some sort of strange snake ritual. Next on my list, I wanted to go find the monkeys. Along the way, I saw some pretty happy juice vendors, and I came across this one-man band and found myself in awe of all the instruments he was playing simultaneously. But in the end, like a moth to a flame, I could not stay away from the dressed-up monkeys.
Wow. All right. Well, I officially got the monkeys. Hey, monkeys. Hey, buddy, how you doing? He's pulling my hair. That's all right. That was kind of the bizarre courtyard. Now I'm entering the actual Souks. So this is where all the shops are. I've been to these before, and the merchants get kind of aggressive. We'll see how this one is.
The only other Souks I'd ever been to were the ones in Dubai. This one was very similar, with tons of different spices, handcrafted tapestries, knockoff bags and shoes, and all kinds of beautifully colored pottery.
One thing that's notable here is they're very narrow, so you can see kind of behind me how narrow this is. If I reach my arm straight across, I can touch both sides. You don't see stuff like this in America, right? Not really. I'm kind of outside now, but I'm still in the market, the souk, and what I'm realizing is that I am completely lost. It's such a labyrinth of shops and mazes, real skinny corridors that open up into bigger ones. I might have to use the track back feature on my watch to get back to the beginning. We'll see. Maybe I can use my internal compass to get back. I think it's that way, but I don't know. All right, that's it for the Souks today. It was pretty fun. I mean, in the scheme of things. A few things that I think you should know. Number one, every vendor and every store is going to try to pull you in. The monkey that I had jump on my shoulders and pull my hair, and the cobra that I played with, none of that was free, right? You walk up, they act like it's free, then they do it, then they say, give me money. I even tried to ask, like, how much money do you want up front? And they said, whatever you want. I was like, all right. And then you pull out any amount of money, and they want it all. and they'll keep asking. So at some point you have to just walk away and be like, yeah, I paid you enough, right? And I guess it's worth whatever it's worth to you. If you want a stinky monkey jumping on your head and pulling your hair, which I did. All right, I think that's it for the Souks today. Hope you enjoyed this, and we'll catch you on the next one.
And if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. It helps others find this content.